If you've been following along, you'll now know why philosophers think argumentation and disagreement are important tools for getting at the truth. But what can we do to ensure that our arguments are productive? I recommend breaking down your arguments into 3 distinct steps. First, you've got to make sure that you understand what your opponent actually believes. Often, arguments are based on misunderstandings, or are the result of the opponents using the same words in different ways. This is why it's important to begin by clarifying all of the important claims. Once you feel like you might be grasping their point, try repeating it back to them to see if they'd agree with the claims when put in your own terms. Secondly, you'll want to identify the fundamental disagreement. If you're arguing about whether God exists, for instance, it won't matter, at least for the moment, what implications you think that has for how we should go about making decisions in life. It's not that God's existence is totally irrelevant to the second question. It's just that this is a peripheral issue from the perspective of this particular disagreement. Finally, once you've identified the fundamental disagreement, hopefully a simple set of claims on which you and your opponents disagree, take turns giving reasons why you hold the particular position on the issue that you do. You can bring up personal experience, background knowledge and research, or more theoretical reasons to support your position. Sometimes you might realize that you and the person you disagree with both need to go and do some more research. But make sure that each of you gives your reasons and that the other is listening carefully and trying to deeply understand the point of view being expressed when you do. It's a simple formula, and it's not easy to follow, but I guarantee that if you do follow it, it will vastly improve the quality of your disagreements.